Alright, I extended my track about another 19 inches to get my door up against the ceiling. I made a sneaky hinge, or sneaky roller I should say, with an existing hinge and a remnants of the original top roller assembly. And you can see the sneaky roller action. It allows the door to be only, I think, 3 inches from the ceiling. I've got about 1.5 inches left on the track. The door is fully open. Sneaky hinge. Perfect. About 1 inch of track left. And they said it couldn't be done. 3 inches from the ceiling. The use of the 2 sneaky rollers allows the door to sit much thinner at the ceiling. And then the addition of the partial extra panel up in the top allows the use of the opener, because that gets it up into the top portion of the curve of the track, so the opener can have a straight pull on it to lift the door. I'm happy.